How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account. If you have deleted your Instagram account permanently but not sure how to recover it, follow these simple steps. Tap on the web browser that you preferably use, and on your web browser, what you're going to have to do is search for Instagram support. So just search for Instagram support, and once you search for it, you should be able to see the Instagram Help Center. So tap on it. And once you get to help.instagram.com, you're going to have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then from here, tap on Manage Your Account. And from here, you can tap on Signing Up and Get Started. And once that is done, scroll down until you find this option. If this was helpful, click on No, and then click on Other. Now here you will have an option to send a message to Instagram help and support team. You can write something like, I have accidentally deleted my Instagram account. And then you're going to write something like, please help me recover it. Then once you have done that, you just need to make sure you provide your username. And once you've provided the username of your deleted account, you just need to go ahead and tap on next line and write in your email. And on your email, you're going to provide the email that's connected to your account and then click on submit. They'll get back to you on your email and you should just follow the instruction to recover your account. That's it for this video, guys. I'm going to see you on the next one.